Alright guys, so we are given a simultaneous equation to solve for x and y. So the first thing we have to do is to make y the subject of the equation in equation 1, and by doing so we are going to have y equals to 3x plus 6. So the next thing we have to do is we have to substitute the value of y in equation 2, since we already made y the subject of the equation in equation 1. So in equation 2 we are going to have 3x is equals to 2 into 3x plus 6. So we substitute the value of y in equation 2. By doing so, we will multiply 2 into the equation and we are going to have 3x is equals to 6x plus 12. So the next thing we have to do is to bring like terms together. Since 3x and 6x are like terms, we bring them together. So we are going to have 3x minus 6 is x is equals to 12. So we go ahead and subtract them. And we are going to have negative 3x is equals to 12. So we divide both sides of the equation by negative 3 to make x the subject of the equation. And by doing so, our x is going to be negative 4. So since we already know the value of x, so we go to any of our equation, we substitute the value of x. So in our case, we can go in for equation 2. So anywhere we see x, we put negative 4. We substitute and solve for y. So 3 times negative 4 is equals to negative 12 is equals to y. So we make y the subject of the equation. And by doing so, our y becomes negative 6. So the final answer is C.